Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. In last video I taught you how to draw grid over your reference image and how to enhance the quality of your reference image. In this video I will be telling you what to do after drawing this grid on your sheet of paper, or how to draw the reference image on this paper using this grid. So let's get started. One of the most important thing is draw in the right box. I cannot emphasize on it more that you have to draw in the right box, otherwise everything will be messed and you will not be able to correct it again and you will have to start all over again. But let's be positive, we will not do that. We will draw in the right box. So observe your reference image properly, observe in which grid everything is and from where you are going to start, and then start making it. So as always we will start with an eye. I have observed the starting point of the eye and the ending and in which box I will be drawing it. So make sure that you also do that by seeing your reference image on which we have drawn grid in the last video. I hope that you have seen the last video, because in that video I have explained you how to draw the initial grid on your image so that you can draw it on the paper and do the further drawing. Erase wherever you think you need to, because none of us is perfect and we all do make mistakes. We have to accept it and correct it at the right time, otherwise we are going to mess it. Make sure that you draw the basic outline of everything you can observe right now, and after that we will add the depth to it when we will share it in the next videos. In the coming videos I will share it on my channel, so make sure that you subscribe it. So we are on eyebrows and I am making the basic strands of hairs which I can observe right now. You don't have to add layers to it right now or depth or anything, because we will move to it, or we will do it when we will be shading it using our charcoal or graphite pencils. It depends upon you that which pencils you want to use. The process is almost same for all the pencils. Use diagonals to observe that from where the particular part of our face is starting and where it is ending. Diagonals helps a lot in figuring out the little details which we have to draw in the initial part of our drawing. So make sure that you observe it properly. Make sure that you don't put much pressure on your pencil initially, because at this stage we don't have to make anything dark. We have to do only the light outline of everything, so that we can know afterwards that from where the particular part is starting and where it is ending, so that we can shade that particular part and we can add depth or shadows to it. So make sure that you don't put much pressure on your pencil or don't do a dark outline. Make it lightly, it should be smooth, light and good. It should be smooth, fun and easy. In your initial stage, when you are making your first sketch or maybe the second or third one, it may feel that it is very difficult to draw it, but after making 9 to 10 sketches you will realize that it is not that difficult, and you will slowly get your speed to do it and will do it much better. So trust yourself, trust the process and keep doing. When it comes to hair, you can either make the outer outline of the hairs just to know that from the where it is starting and where it is ending, or you can make each strand of hair in your this first initial step only. It depends upon you, so you can use either of the methods. So I will make just the basic outer outline of the hairs right now, and afterwards I will shade it. You can do anything. I will give the reference image in the description. You can get it from there, download it and observe it and start making it yourself. It is the practice that will make you better at your skill or your drawing, not just seeing videos. Only watching videos will not make you a good artist. You have to practice it afterwards, or you can practice it with the video only. I am not doing it fast. You can pause it and see. If you think that I am going fast, you can pause it, repeat it, do everything that you want with it. You can even download the video and see it again and again without wasting your internet. Now I'm just making the basic outline of the ornaments that she is wearing. So we have almost drawn everything, and it is the end of the video. In the coming videos, I will be telling you how to shade it, how to shade the eyes and everything step by step. Make sure that you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of coming videos and see them on time. Thank you so much for watching the